Hey guys, Alex with Lano Equipment in Anoka here to talk about some different attachments that we've got available. A lot of times guys will get their equipment and they want to know what kind of attachments are available to them. And a big one is grapples. There's a lot of different kinds of grapples, and not everyone knows what's the right application for each one. I've brought out a few here that we can go over quick and figure out if we can get you in the right one for your next project. Probably our most common is going to be a skeleton grapple here. It's going to have tooth shanks on the bottom. It's going to be good for grabbing logs, brush, doing a little bit of digging in the dirt if you're trying to scrape something up. And it's going to be a good all-around grapple that a lot of guys will use in their arsenal. But a lot of times you can't have material falling through if you're in certain environments. So in like an industrial setting, you might be looking at more of an industrial pan grapple that has basically the bottom of a bucket on it. That doesn't let any debris fall through. You're not worrying about popping any tires. A good choice here, this customer who bought this machine bought this grapple because he doesn't want to use a bucket very often, but on the rare chance that he does need to do a little bit of digging, he's got that bucket floor on that grapple. Over here we've got our big boy root grapple. This is going to be great if you need to do some raking across forestry land and you're trying to gather up as much branches and brush and debris as possible. Also, with its more round shape when it's closed, it's going to be excellent for picking up big heavy logs. It's going to hold it tight. The bottom teeth aren't as long, so you're not going to get stuck digging into the ground as much. And then lastly over here, this tine grapple is going to be a good one for our farmers. If you're looking to try and pick up any manure or softer material that you just want to go straight into, these bottom tines here are smooth with a sharp edge, and they're going to be able to penetrate in. The grapple will lock down on it and be able to pick it up no problem. It's going to be a good application for our farmers. And that's your grapple wrap up in 2 minutes.